Have you ever wondered what drives the third largest economy in the world? What if I told you that just a handful of major Japanese companies control a financial powerhouse that professional traders secretly love? This is the JP225, also known as the Nikkei 225. But what exactly is it? How does it actually work? And why are so many people quietly making money trading it right now? Keep watching, because the unique way this index operates might surprise you, and by the end of this video, you will see the global markets in a completely different way. I'm Sina, and I create simple, easy-to-understand, and ad-free video explaining hard subjects in short, clear format every week. Subscribe to my channel for more high-quality and simply explained videos. Also, like the video to help me and my channel to grow. So, what is the JP225? In simple terms, the Nikkei 225 is to Japan what the Dow Jones is to the United States. It is a stock market index that tracks the daily performance of 225 massive top-tier companies listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange. But here's where it gets very interesting. Most stock market indices are based on the total size of the companies. The Nikkei 225 is different. It is price-weighted. This means the companies with the highest stock price have the most power to move the entire market, regardless of their actual business size. But before we reveal exactly which massive companies control this index, I have a quick message for you. If you don't have capital to trade and want a most reliable and trusted prop firm to start trading this index without capital, check out my Funded Next link in the description for exclusive bonus and personal support from me and my team, and start making money from trading right now. Now let's look inside the JP225. Because of the price weighting rule, the biggest influencer in this index is actually Fast Retailing, which is the parent company of the famous clothing brand Uniqlo. Following closely are massive technology and semiconductor giants like Tokyo Electron, Advantest, and the global investment powerhouse SoftBank Group. If we break the index down by industries, it is heavily dominated by the technology sector. The consumer goods sector, which includes major retail brands, comes next. But this brings up the most important question. What makes the JP225 so special for traders all around the world? In the trading community, the Nikkei 225 is famous for moving clean. Because the index is highly liquid and heavily influenced by just a few high-priced technology and retail stocks, it respects technical analysis beautifully. It creates strong, clear trends and highly predictable price action without random, messy spikes. It provides the perfect environment for both day traders and swing traders to find clear setups. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Have you ever considered trading international markets like the JP225, or do you prefer to stick with what you know? Please let me know in the comments below. I read and reply to every single comment because connecting with you guys is my favorite part of making these videos. Also, if you want to know what are the best crypto projects that you can invest in and their investing potential, check out the video and playlist you see on the screen. Love you guys. See you in the next video.